Hey, how you doing? This is Tom. Welcome back. I'm still questing, trying to receive a Longwave station. Most people have commented that the chances of me receiving a Longwave station with the equipment I have right now is slim and none, but gotta keep trying. You know, there might be some freak condition where the station would come through. Really trying to receive the BBC on 298 kilohertz, and there's a couple other ones I would like to try to receive. People have suggested that I need a bigger loop antenna, and I need to try to receive late at night so that it's nighttime here in Clearwater, Florida, and nighttime at the stations I'm trying to receive. Unfortunately, right now, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm down in my workshop, and now I'm trying my SDR Play SDR. This is the the RSPdx. I have my Mega Loop antenna connected to it. I can receive right now that beacon that's probably less than 5 miles from me here in Clearwater, Florida at 360 kilohertz. But by using, and this is the beauty of a SDR, using software to control it, is you can physically see the waveforms. And so I can see a little tiny peak right here. See if I can click on it. It's probably a little lower than that. Let me turn the volume on. That's a beacon. I can hear it. So if I go to that beacon webpage again, and what was the frequency? 222. Look down here. 2222. Thereabouts. Maybe 2291. A couple of them in the United States. Don't know which one it is. Alabama, Georgia. There's a couple of beacons. Probably what it is. Well, it is. So I got this one, which is just a spike, and then this one way up here. That's probably that interference I was getting on my radio. You know, it'd help if I mute. Maybe you could hear what I'm saying. Anyway, in the area which is right here that I want to hear, this is the only signal that stands out. It's another little tiny one down here. That's too far down. Now there is, I think it's a time signal at 660 kilohertz. Right in here. See if I can tune that. See if I can, if I can hear anything. Noise, which is what you expect at 60 hertz. So that's about it. All there is those of real signals is this one here, which is at 360, which is just down the street from me, a beacon, and this is another beacon someplace. So I think this is, believe it or not, my best setup is using this SDR and having my mega loop antenna hooked to it. Now the other choice I have is my 31-foot vertical antenna. That's my other choice. I don't think it will do as good, but maybe it would, given that it's the tip of the antenna is at 31 feet. I'm going to keep trying. Again, somebody has told me this is not the best time. The best time would be when my station is in the dark and the other station is in the dark. And most likely, some of these Longwave stations are probably broadcasting in the evening, their evening. So I got the setup, so maybe I'll come back down here in the evening and see what I hear. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any other suggestions, please let me know. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.